Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G41 and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to select display over here and tap on styles. Over here you can pick one of those themes like Bloom and tap on apply. And now as you can see, theme of my device has changed. But you can also go into the same settings, but this time select this plus icon over here. Now click on font style that you wish to apply and tap on next after each step. Color of your icons in tab menu, shape of them, and even layout. Then name your theme. I will go with some gibberish and tap on next. Finally select apply and as you can see, theme of my device changed again. If you wish to go back into the default one though, you can always do that by going into display and styles again, choosing Moto theme and tapping on apply one more time. If you wish to delete created theme, click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner, click on the bin one at the top right corner as well and choose delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!